What drives the ocean's most feared predator? Beneath a calm blue surface swims an animal shaped by millions of years of ice, currents, and prey. This is the story of the great white shark, a creature part myth, part machine, entirely essential. We begin where light thins and the world slows, at the interface between sunlit waves and shadowed depth. Here, a white belly fades into darkness and a streamlined silhouette becomes a study in purposeful design. Great whites are apex predators, but to call them monstrous is to miss their precision. Their bodies are tuned to sense minute electric fields, to smell a drop of blood from yards away, and to burst into explosive speed when the moment demands. In coastal kelp forests and open blue oceans, they hunt with surprising patience, waiting, circling, calculating. A seal's frantic paddle becomes a pattern, a heartbeat a timing cue. They use ambush tactics as much as raw power, often approaching from below where a seal's eyesight is weakest. Juveniles learn different rules. Young great whites linger in protected nursery areas, feeding on fish and smaller prey, growing into the geometry of their adult form. Their growth is a balance of risk and reward. Faster growth reduces predation risk but demands more food, steering early migrations and foraging choices. Migration maps reveal something human eyes rarely expect. Great whites are long-distance travelers. Tagged individuals cross oceans, visit islands, and return to the same hunting grounds year after year. These movements are guided by temperature, prey availability, and perhaps an innate map within their minds. Scientists use satellite tags, hormone samples, and observational dives to piece together these journeys. Each method reveals a layer. Hormones point to reproductive cycles, tags to roots, and direct observation to behavior. Reproduction itself remains one of the ocean's guarded secrets. Great whites give birth to live young after long gestation, but details about mating rituals and nursery locations are still emerging. Conservation hinges on understanding these patterns. Fisheries, boat traffic, and climate shifts all ripple through shark populations, altering prey abundance and migration corridors. Protecting critical habitats means protecting the entire interconnected web of life. Misunderstanding breeds fear. Media often amplifies dramatic encounters, but shark attacks are rare and usually the result of curiosity or mistaken identity. Most encounters end without contact. When they do occur, they illuminate the need for non-lethal mitigation and respectful coexistence. The sensory world of a great white is unlike ours. They sense electrical fields, detect subtle temperature gradients, and navigate using geomagnetic cues. These abilities make them efficient predators and remarkable navigators of a three-dimensional world that changes with tides and seasons. Their role as apex predators stabilizes marine ecosystems by regulating prey populations and ensuring healthy kelp forests and seal colonies. Removing them causes cascading effects, allowing some species to overpopulate and habitats to degrade. Conservation success stories exist. Protected areas, fishing restrictions, and public education have allowed certain populations to recover slowly. Marine reserves act as refuges where prey and predator dynamics can rebalance. Yet the work is far from done. International cooperation and continued research are essential. As we watch a great white glide through a sunlit column of plankton, we are reminded of our shared ocean heritage. A system older than human memory that sustains us in visible and invisible ways. The ocean's health reflects our choices, and the fate of the great white is woven into that larger story. To study them is not to tame them but to learn their language, to map their migrations, and to protect the places that matter. In doing so, we preserve a keystone of the sea and the quiet poetry of an animal perfected for a realm we barely understand. What drives the ocean's most feared predator will keep evolving as we learn more. But one truth remains: great whites are not villains, they are vital sentinels of the sea, demanding our respect and our stewardship. Follow, and dive deeper, discover more hidden ocean truths with us.